Welcome to our channel. Security best practices when using a range extender. 1. Change the default username and password. Never keep the extender's default login details. Hackers know them. 2. Use strong Wi-Fi passwords. Set a long, complex Wi-Fi password with letters, numbers and symbols. 3. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. Always keep your extender on WPA3. If not available, use WPA2 AES. 4. Update the extender's firmware. Check for updates regularly to fix bugs and security issues. 5. Turn off WPS. WPS pairing is easy but unsafe. Keep WPS disabled for better security. 6. Create a separate guest network. Connect visitors to a guest network so your main network stays safe. 7. Limit connected devices. Only allow devices you trust. Remove unknown devices from the list. 8. Place the extender inside your house. Keep it away from windows to reduce signal leaking outside. 9. Disable remote management. Turn off remote access so no one can control your extender online. 10. Check connected devices frequently. Review the device list weekly to spot any suspicious connections. Thank you for watching.